Hi, my name is Jason Sturm, and I'm going to be pitching an arcade-style RPG that I'm calling Cruel Conquests. So, what's an arcade-style RPG? Well, it's an RPG that's winnable, it's going to be different every time you play, and it's something that should be challenging to the point where sometimes you might not make it to the end. Basically, at the beginning of the game, you're going to create a party choosing from these 8 characters. As you select them, they will add a wallet capacity as well as carry slots. As you can see, we've picked 2 characters, and they have opened up 5 carry slots and boosted up to a 600 wallet capacity. Now that we've clicked our last 2 heroes, as you can see over here, we have 7 carry slots and a 900 wallet capacity. The combat in this game will be simple. Basically, if your power is less than the enemy you're fighting, they will do damage to your hero based on how much more power they have. It's pretty simple. Here is our map. It's a branching linear system, meaning that as you go through the map, you'll make decisions on where to go. As you can see here, we made our move from the town to our first combat scenario. This would be a scenario where you would fight easy creatures. As you can see here, we'll have a lot of nodes. Random entails either a combat shrine or a treasure. Camps, you can heal up. Towns, you can buy items. Demi-bosses are strong. Final bosses are harder. Here's some basic enemies. They are sent at you based on what turn you're on. So if you're fighting all easy, you're at lower turns. If you're fighting mediums, you're somewhere in the middle, and hard, you'll be nearing the end of the game. The integrity force of the game is that every 4 turns, depending on your boss, they will send a demi-boss to come attack you. Now, for this boss, it will send 2 demi-bosses and 2 regular combat enemies. All right, so what are our risks and feasibility? The biggest risk is that it will take a lot of data entry. There's going to be a lot of balancing. There's got to be a lot of things that seem easy at first and then become more difficult. But speaking of feasibility, I believe that this game can be made in 4 months, even by amateurs. Here are my references, and I hope you enjoyed my pitch.